Welcome to the very first episode of Chainsaw Challenge! Today we will make a wooden figure 8 rappelling device and we will test to see if it will work in a real life rappel. This oak log that we are resawing here came from a tree that we cut down in someone's backyard last week. So here is the completed wooden figure 8. You got the edges rounded over so the rope can run over them smoothly. And here's a quick comparison. Now it's time for the weight test. It holds my 180 pounds surprisingly, but I do hear it cracking. We're still gonna go ahead and rappel from it with a Blake's Hitch backup, just in case the wooden figure 8 does break. Thank you for participating in the first episode of Chainsaw Challenge. Please do not try this at home. This video was for entertainment purposes only.